Which country has the largest population in the world? A. India. B. USA. C. Russia. D. China. Correct. A. India. 2. How many sajdas are there in the Holy Quran? A. 14. B. 12. C. 10. D. 15. Correct. A. 14. When did Pakistan become a republic? A. 1956. B. 1948. C. 1962. D. 1973. Correct. A. 1956. What is the plural of child? A. Childs. B. Childess. C. Children. D. Childer. Correct. C. Children. 5. Water boils at what temperature at sea level? A. 90 degrees Celsius. B. 95 degrees Celsius. C. 100 degrees Celsius. D. 110 degrees Celsius. Correct. C. 100 degrees Celsius. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Processing Unit. B. Central Performance Unit. C. Computer Power Unit. D. Control Program Unit. Correct. A. Central Processing Unit. Which is the smallest continent? A. Europe. B. Antarctica. C. Australia. D. South America. Correct. C. Australia.
ये पार्ट 1 है। पार्ट 2 के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें राजपर यूट्यूब चैनल को।